Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Cadillac XT5 Luxury featuring stellar black metallic with a black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a power liftgate, wireless device charging, ride and handling suspension, an UltraView power sunroof, a Bose speaker system, front and rear park assist, as well as forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door, power lock and unlock, our memory seating options, powered windows, as well as powered and power retractable mirrors. Down below we have some storage, and to the left we have our power liftgate controls, and to the right is the main Bose speaker. Taking a closer look at the seats, down to the bottom left we have the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left when we get inside we have the power park brake. And we can take a closer look at the steering wheel. To the left we have the cruise control, and to the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Down to the bottom left we have the heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and the forward collision alert. And we can go ahead and take a look at the infotainment system here. We can start off with the audio. So taking a look here, we have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Taking a look here, we have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, as well as a compass for the navigation. Down below that, we have our climate controls with heated front seats for both driver and passenger, with some storage below that. In the center, we have two cup holders. We have our traction control, different drive modes, and the all-wheel drive. Here's the wireless device charger. And here's the center console. Popping that open, we have two USB plugins and a ton of storage down below. Moving up top, here's the rear view mirror. Just above that, we have the OnStar and SOS with two dome lights, universal garage opener, as well as the sunroof controls and a place to hold our sunglasses. Over here, we can take a look at the UltraView sunroof, about the full length of the roof there. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, Cadillac badge along the side, color matched mirror caps and door handles with a chrome accent and keyless entry. We have a tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. We have some more XT5 and Cadillac badging back here. And to open it up, we can double click, and the power liftgate will open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for visibility. We have a rear storage cover. All of our mats back here. We can also lift this bottom portion to reveal the spare tire, jack, and some extra storage space. We can also drop these rear seats down to get a ton of extra space. You can close it up by pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows. We have some storage down below. Taking a look at the seats here, we have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have some storage up top, our vents, as well as storage down below, and all the way down at the bottom we can find two USB plugins. At the top left we have handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here we can go ahead and drop this down to reveal two cup holders as well as an armrest. We get a great view of this sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2019 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.